Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And make sure you turn on notifications by clicking on that bell icon. Federal judge loses temper in Manafort hearing, says Mueller's goal is to oust Trump from office. The federal judge in Paul Manafort's case cast doubt on Friday over Mueller's bank fraud case against the former Trump campaign manager. Judge T.S. Ellis lost his temper and blasted prosecutors, saying he believes Mueller is using the Manafort case to provide material that will lead to Trump's prosecution or impeachment. Now, CNN reported that a federal judge expressed deep skepticism Friday in the bank fraud case brought by special counsel Robert Mueller's office against former Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort, at one point saying he believes that Mueller's motivation is to oust President Donald Trump from office. He said this: "You don't really care about Mr. Manafort's bank fraud," District Judge T.S. Ellis said to prosecutor Michael Drebin, at times losing his temper. Ellis said that prosecutors were interested in Manafort because of his potential to provide material that would lead to Trump's prosecution or impeachment, Ellis added. "Now, that's what you're really interested in," said Ellis, who was appointed by President Ronald Reagan. Well, Robert Mueller is out of control. He is moving full steam ahead and won't stop until he's forced to end this witch hunt. Now, Mueller is seeking 70 blank subpoenas in the Manafort case, according to a Thursday court filing by special counsel. Paul Manafort first made arguments in the suit with Robert Mueller, Rod Rosenstein, and Jeff Sessions as head of the DOJ related to illegalities in the way that Rosenstein set up the Mueller special counsel. Now, Rosenstein's special counsel order was not based on a crime and unconstitutionally stated that Mueller could basically look at anything he wanted to look at. Now, these provisions are against the law and are now for the courts to settle. Now, in early April, Mueller and Rosenstein presented to the courts a rebuttal for Manafort's latest action. They presented a previously undisclosed memo to a federal court in Washington, supposedly addressing Manafort's argument. The problem is, it doesn't. The memo was dated August 2nd of 2017 and is from Rosenstein to Mueller, supposedly directing Mueller to look into the Manafort actions with a Russian operative perhaps before 2016. This, however, is clearly outside the scope of Sessions' recusal, as argued by Manafort, and doesn't even address Manafort's argument that these actions are not for Mueller to take or Rosenstein to order, but are Sessions' actions alone as the Attorney General. While Judge T.S. Ellis is 100% correct, Mueller's case against Manafort is being used to oust President Trump from office. So be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. I appreciate you. Peace.